Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Italian panels are almost always made of poplar, a tree common to Italy. Preparing a panel involved several steps. An artist would have to undergo a lot of training to learn how to prepare a panel before they could start painting and gilding. These steps are meticulously described by the artist and writer Cennino Cennini in his book of art written around the year 1400. First, any holes or knots in the panel had to be filled and then smoothed. The panel was then further smoothed and sealed with glue. Thin linen was also sometimes attached with glue over the face of the panel. The linen can be seen in Lorenzetti's panel, where it protrudes over the lip of the frame on the top edge. The next step was the application of what is called the ground. The ground is composed of numerous coats of gesso, a mixture of gypsum and animal skin glue. Next, Lorenzetti probably would have executed the underdrawing for the final design. The outlines of the final design would then be incised with a sharp object. This separated the objects that were to be painted, for example the figures, from the parts that would be gilded, for example the background. These outlines are clearly seen on close inspection of the Ferenc panel. Once the design was set, the gold ground was then applied. The gold leaf was then burnished or polished to make it shine. Lorenzetti would have then incised and punched details such as the tiny holes, the cross-hatched borders, and the patterned halos. Lorenzetti sometimes shared punch stamps with his brother Ambrogio. The panel would have been painted in egg tempera, with pigments formed from naturally occurring minerals or insect dyes. The standard pigments would probably have been obtained from speziali or spice dealers. The choice and expense of pigments could be stipulated in the contract between artist and patron. Lorenzetti has used mordant gilding for the gold lines upon Christ's robes. A mordant is the adhesive for metal leaf, which usually consisted of a mixture of oil and resin heated together to produce a thick, sticky material.